guys, your girl Senior D here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be my unboxing of my Ipsy box for December. So I'm so excited to unbox this for you guys. I recently just did my BOXY charm unboxing, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll put that here for you. And also, if you're wondering why I look just a little crazy, because I got some blue eyeshadow going on and this bright red lip, I recently just did my unboxing of my Jeffree Star mystery unboxing for Christmas time. I don't know why I paused there, dramatic pause, because I couldn't think for a second. But yeah, I just recently did my unboxing for my Jeffree Star Christmas unboxing mystery box. You know what I meant. But in general, if you guys want to go ahead and check out that video, I will list that here for you guys so you guys can see, or I'll put that up here for you guys so you guys can see what I got in that box. And if you can't tell what's on my face, go check it out, because can you tell what I got in that box? Trust me, it's good. You're gonna want to go watch it. But let's get back on to what we should be talking about, is my Ipsy box unboxing. So again, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this video. So here is our Ipsy box. So again, Ipsy is a subscription box. You pay $25 a month plus taxes, yada yada, and you're supposed to get 5 full-size products in here in your box. And let's just go ahead and see what we got. So again, for the box, this is what it looks like when you open it. And then this is for December of 2019. Hashtag discover yourself, and it says shine on. Sparkle, sparkle, shimmer, and shine is what it shows you right there. So for the box that you pay $25 for, you are supposed to get a full worth of over $120 in your box. So let's just go ahead and see what we've got. So we have obviously a little card right here, and I will talk about all the prices at the end because I just want to be surprised. I don't want to look at it. So, okay. So first, to start off, we did get a super oil right here for you. I guess it's for your face. It has olive derived sequin oil, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It's not animal tested, so that is what it looks like for you guys. This is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce, so it is like a deluxe travel size maybe. I don't know if it's a full size product, who knows, but it is TSA approved. But yeah, so there is a face oil that we got first off. Then the next product that we got in here is something I'm super excited about. This is the Tarte Stay Spray from Tarte. Duh. This is their Shape Tape Nation. I don't know. It's just the Stay Spray. So I'm super excited to get this. This is a full-size product. I know for a fact, because I actually already own another one behind me. So now I have 2, which is awesome, which is amazing, because you cannot have enough setting spray. But the only reason why I already have this one is because when I got the Tarte and Whitney Simmons collaboration, this was the setting spray that they put out on display with her stuff for you to purchase. So I don't know if this was exclusive to her or if this is just now something they just kind of branched out with because everyone loved it so much and they just kept it around. But it does have like the same kind of color scheme as the Whitney Simmons one did still. So I'm guessing this is just a part of their main collection now. But yeah, so there's the Double Duty Beauty Stay Spray All Day. So by Tarte. And then the next item that we got in here are Chap Sticks. Love that. You can never have enough chapsticks, duh, but I have way too many because I feel like in the past I used to get too many chapsticks in my subscriptions, and I just opted out that I don't want stuff like that anymore, or like lip scrubs and all that stuff, but somehow I still got chapstick in here. So yeah, this is the Noya Simple Awesome Organic Lip Balm. I have one in vanilla and then the other one in peppermint. So that is what those look like. Next we have in here is, I don't know if this even counts as a product, but this is just a bag that they put in here. I know they were like not putting bags at first, and only if you got the smaller one you got a bag with it, but now they're trying to put bags in every single one of these. So I don't know, I don't use these at all whatsoever. I mean, I started to in the beginning when I used to put like feminine products in them, and that's pretty much what I do now because I have bigger traveling makeup bags. And I don't keep like an emergency makeup kit in my car, which I probably could if I really wanted to, but I don't. So normally I will use this when I do giveaways and like tuck stuff in these little bags. So they come in handy. But there is the bag that they gave us for this month. And then next in here is an item I was super excited about when I opened this. It is a Morphe lipstick. So this is what we've got. This is in Dominate. So I recently just got my first Morphe lipstick the other day when I did my Morphe unboxing, like I was just telling you guys in the beginning. Again, don't forget to go check that out. So this is the Morphe packaging, and then this is the color that we've got for Dominate. Is a very beautiful red, very on trend for the winter and for a pretty red, beautiful popping red lip if you want one. So there's that. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I want to keep it, give it away, or just not use it yet. I mean, I've got a lot of other lipsticks, a lot of other lip products that I'm using right now at the moment that I'm loving so much. So yeah, I definitely just go ahead and put this to the side. And then the item that I did choose, because now they're doing customization, they're allowing you guys to choose a product that you want definitively in your box, but I don't think they're giving us a big enough variety when it comes to these unboxings when they're trying to do the customization, because they only give you an option of like 3 different products and that's all you get. I'm guessing because those are the items that they either got in big bulk, and even if you choose it or don't choose it, someone's going to end up getting it no matter what. So I decided to get this. This is the magnetic palette by Ipsy. I don't know how to pronounce that right there for you guys, but yes, this is a Z palette that I decided to get. Now I do know it comes with 4 shades already in it, but this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It is magnetic like it says, and it is very protective if you have any like loose products that you guys want to put in here. So it does have a really nice, beautiful big mirror right here for you, and then it did come with 4 shades. Let's go ahead and lift this up if I could. So that is the 4 shades that you got in here. It looks like we have a cream color, 2 like purpley pink shades right here, and then like a neutral taupey shimmery brown right there for you. And if you want, you can actually just go ahead and take this off and just use the actual open Z palette, which actually I think that's something I'm going to probably end up doing anyways, just because I do have a lot of like loose items that I would love to put into like a small little like Z palette type of magnetic thing. So definitely excited to get this because I don't own a palette like this yet, so I can put some of the loose depotted stuff that I do have, or some of the sample stuff that I've gotten in the past that are just solo items. So that is everything that I got in my box. Let's go ahead and total this up and see what the value is that we got. So for the eyeshadow quad, for that like magnetic palette, that was $60. For the super oil that we got, that was $68. And then we got the Tarte spray, which is $25. The matte liquid lipstick by Morphe, which is $9. And then we got the 2 lip balms, which were $7.98 for this set of 2. So we're going to go ahead and add up the value for you right here. And that is what we got, ladies and gentlemen. So let me go ahead and add that up really quickly. It was $170. Now, do I actually believe that sometimes? Not really. I know the Tarte spray, definitely I believe that value. The Morphe lipstick, I definitely believe that value. Some of these other brands I've never heard of, I don't believe in that value, because I know when it comes to a Z palette, a magnetic palette, I can get those for way cheaper than $60. And then yes, it came with 4 shades in there, but the shades weren't anything like super duper impressive or that I thought they were, at least to me. I mean, I guess I didn't swatch any of them to see if the quality was there for it, but again, and then for an oil for your face, again, it's a brand that I've never heard of. It's not like it's Clinique or it's Estee Lauder or any of those high-end brands that would have a face oil like Tatcha or something like that, where I would believe that the value of this would be $68. Again, this is in plastic. It's not in metal or, what do I mean, not metal. It's not in glass with a beautiful like metal topping or topper on it. Again, this is just plastic, and for $68, I would feel like for a more prestige item, it would be in a better packaging, I guess. And that's just kind of what I thought about in my other unboxing that I did when there was an item and there was worth $200, and I just looked at it as mind blown. How is this much money and the packaging doesn't meet? You know, did they just spend too much in the product and then just decided to get lowball us on the quality of the packaging? Alright, so awkward ending. Somehow I lost footage again. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys next time. Alright? Bye.